Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. This video is going to be a breathing video to help you recover from respiratory illness, from any viruses or infections. Also clear the nasal pathways if you're suffering from congestion. So these exercises helped me in the past when I had COVID, helped me regain my smell, helped me breathe better on day-to-day basis. So I wanted to share with you so you can do them to help you too. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Kseny, and on this channel I share Qigong inspired videos, breathing exercises and meditation to help you feel and do better physically and mentally. So if you want to support the channel, click subscribe and let's begin today's practice. Begin in a standing position and take a moment here to settle in, adjust your alignment, keeping your spine nice and straight, your lower back relaxed, and your body weight equally distributed onto both feet. From here, we're going to twist and turn. Slowly begin to let go through your muscles, through your joints. Just begin to notice how your body moves, especially if you haven't been active lately due to some illness or feeling weak post-COVID. Just begin to move slowly, becoming aware of your body. Begin to feel your muscles, feel your joints. And be very kind, very gentle to yourself. I would advise going 1/3 of your normal effort. Very good. Slow it down. From here, we're going to open the chest. Breathe in. Breathe out. See if you can inhale in through your nose. And exhale out your nose. If you find difficulty breathing in and out your nose, make it 50-50. Nose, mouth. Breathing in. Breathing out. Remember, 1/3 of the normal effort. Just simply observing your inhalation, moving the arms to help us open the chest. Breathing in. Breathing out. Once more, breathing in. Breathing out. From here, open the chest, drawing your hands to the back, really trying to stretch all the way from your sternum down your inner arms, finishing at your fingers. Exhale, bring yourself back and relax. Breathing in. It feels like you're opening the curtains, drawing more oxygen into your lungs. Exhale, let go. Inhale to open. Exhale. Breathing in and out. Inhale Exhale. One more time, breathing in and out. From here, breathing in, try to stretch the muscles between your ribs, opening up through the side. Exhale softly. Here is more about the breath rather than the stretch, but see if you can feel both. Completing your inhalation and opening up through the ribcage. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continue on your own. One third of your effort. Stay soft, stay relaxed, minimizing stress on the body. Moving very slowly. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time on each side. And exhale. Very good. From here, we're trying to tackle the middle back, trying to tackle the back of the lungs. We're going to inhale, drawing the shoulder blades closer together, pinch your elbows. Exhale, round your upper back, trying to stretch and open through the back. Inhale, open through the front. Exhale, round your back. Inhale. Exhale. Continue on your own. And one more time. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. Stand up straight. And then take a nice deep breath in. Feel your breath filling up your lungs. Exhale down the center. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. One more time. Full breath in. Exhale down. Very good. Then rub your hands together to stimulate the lung meridian and to stimulate the lungs and the points related to the lungs. We're going to do a little bit of tapping. So lightly with your fingertips, begin tapping up and down the center line. I have the microphone here. And then go ahead and tap under the collarbone. And then back to center, tap on the sternum. Then raise one hand, tap on the rib cage, down the side of the body. Repeat the same here. And then the back of the lungs, try to reach as high as you can. And then slowly going down, knock on the kidneys and the gate of life. And then go ahead and knock on the tailbone. Very good. Just notice how you feel. The chest and the ribs do feel stimulated. I hope this was helpful. I hope you cleared up your nasal pathways, helped you breathe better, hopefully feel less tired, or you can take a nap. This is great, especially if you're recovering from COVID and feel fatigue. So rest and sleep is probably number one source of energy for you right now. But thank you for joining me anyway. Keep well, and I'll see you soon. Thank you for joining me today. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to click a subscribe button so you don't miss any future videos or live streams. I wish you a great health and see you next time.